Now, the main question I was asked when I got to the end of this journey is, why did you do that? What was the point? And I suppose I'm going to give the answer I've given to anyone else to you here tonight. Well, firstly, I would say I'm not here to recommend people go and do this. If you want to, by all means, but it's quite extreme. What I would say is, whatever it is you want to do, however mad, however weird, however odd other people might think it is, just set your sights as high as you possibly can. Give yourself the highest possible goal. Reach for that high-hanging fruit. Embrace the audacity of ambition, and then chip away at your target bit by bit, day by day, because you will never regret doing difficult things. It's only by doing difficult things that we get to the most magical places in life. Thank you very much.